Hello again. If you see my last video, you will remember that I ran out of aluminum foil by the time I was done with that. So I did get to the store and I got some more, and as you can see I got this all built up. So essentially I did sculpt this with the aluminum foil, and next will be the sculpting with the paper clay. And as you can see, he stands. I had to do a little adjusting to make him stand. You do want to make sure that your project's able to stand on its own. You find your center of gravity. I had to spread the feet out a little bit, but and I'm going to do a little more when I do the clay, make it so he is able to stand completely on his own without falling over real easy. So, and I'm going to do the paper clay in another video. That'd be a little more extensive, and try to explain a little bit about what I'm doing while I'm doing it. And for now, there you go. So we're getting there. All right, well, happy holidays and have a great day. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, and have a great day.